Actually, na-excite talaga ako to be part of Cherry Tigo kasi parang pag nagda-dive ka lang, di ba, parang ang sarap umarangkada kasama ang Cherry. O, di ba? Pasok. And at the same time, yung mga players kasi with Cherry, nakasama ko na sila from the national team, especially Maylin Paad, si Jasmine Abor, si Shaya, si Ea, Nerva, and a lot more. So, excited ako to be working with these players. Well, they've known me as a player with a very big heart, very passionate, vocal, and a leader. So, I want them to expect that from me. Going to Cherry Tigo, dadalhin ko lahat yon. Siguro message na lang sa mga fans namin. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng panahon na sinuportahan kami with our last team. We hope na sabayan nila kami at samahan kami sa new journey namin with Cherry.